progressive journalism. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Union Home Minister Amit Shah undertook an aerial survey of the rain-ravaged areas of Uttarakhand on Thursday as relief and rescue operations continued in the worst-hit Kumaon region amid efforts to restore connectivity and evacuate people from vulnerable areas. Accompanied by Uttarakhand Governor Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, Union Minister of State for Defence Ajay Bhatt and State Disaster Management Minister Dhan Singh Rawat, Shah left for an aerial survey of the affected areas in a helicopter from the GTC helipad in Dehradun. He will return to Jolly Grant Airport and hold a meeting with officials in the presence of the Chief Minister.